In this video, I will show you how to add a link in Facebook story. These steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on your iOS device. So make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, as you can see now, so tap on this plus icon to upload a story and tap on this story section and go and select the story that you want to add. So for me, let's say I want to add just an image on my Facebook story. So I'll just go and select this image. So I want to say upload this image. So tap on this sticker icon, this sticker section. So under this sticker section, as you can see now it will not allow you now to select any section that allow you to add a link. As you can see now, before there is a section which can allow you to add a link. Now Facebook has removed the option. So by the end of this video, I'll show you how to add a link on your Facebook story. All you have to do now, close your Facebook and go to your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you tap on your profile, now tap on this 3-line at the top right side menu. Go to this account center on your Instagram. Tap on this profiles. So the step 1 is make sure you connect your Instagram and your Facebook account. As you can see now, here is my Instagram account and here is my Facebook account already are linked. So after you link your Facebook account and your Instagram account, now tap on this back arrow. So now the next is tap on this sharing across profile. So now select Instagram, press 1. So as you can see now, here it says sharing across profile, share from Instagram, share to Facebook. As you can see now, so make sure you turn on this story section, your Instagram story. So now if I turn on this option now, if I share a story on Instagram, it will automatically be shared to my Facebook account. So I already turned on this option. After you turn on this option, now go back now to your Instagram and upload a story on your Instagram. So now tap on this plus button to upload the story that you want to add to your Facebook. So I'll just tap on story. So I'll just go and select a random picture that I want to just upload. Let's say I just want to upload, let's say just this image. So after you select your image that you want, or just your story that you want to add on your Facebook, so tap on this sticker icon, this sticker section, tap on it. This one, as you can see, this sticker, tap on it. So under this sticker, scroll to down and tap on this link, as you can see. So now paste in your link that you want to add. After you paste your link, all you have to do now, tap on this done button. So now as you can see, here is my link. Now I added it. So now you just customize your link and position it the way you want it. So now here is my link. I'll just leave it in this section. So after you type in your link, now tap on this arrow and make sure this section is checked on. As you can see, your story and Facebook story. So make sure to check on this section and tap on this share button. Tap on this done button. So now my story now is, as you can see now, it just uploaded to my Instagram story. So if I tap on it, as you can see now, so now here is the story that I add. If I tap on the link now, as you can see now, link, visit link. So now it will take me, as you can see, to the link on my Instagram. So now all you have to do now, close your Instagram since now the link is working. Now go back to your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, as you can see now, so after I open my Facebook, so as you can see, here is my story on my Facebook. So tap on the story. So here is the link. As you can see, here is the link. As you can see now, I added all these 2 links. I added them from my Instagram account. That's it, guys, on how to add a link on Facebook story or in Facebook story. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.